Hey, brother, I want you to lean in and listen closely to me for a second. Every relapse starts with you're alone, yet every breakthrough happens with your brothers. Let me say that again. Every relapse starts alone. Every breakthrough will happen inside a community of brothers. Isolation is the enemy. If you keep trying to fight this battle in the dark, by yourself, in secret, in silence, you're going to keep losing. In today's episode of The Rebuilt Man, I want to show you why you can't win this fight against porn addiction alone, why isolation is one of the most dangerous places a man can live, and how brotherhood can literally transform your recovery and rebuild your life. Because freedom doesn't happen in isolation. It happens inside of community. Guys, welcome to the Rebuilt Man podcast. My name is Coach Frank Rich, founder and host here. And I've been coaching men through porn addiction recovery for almost 6 years now. And here's what I've seen over and over again. The men who win, the ones who actually rebuild their lives and become the men God has called them to be, are never the ones that are doing this alone. They're the ones who lock arms, the ones who borrow strength when they're weak and give strength when they're strong. You see, brotherhood isn't and shouldn't be looked at as a luxury, but a requirement for transformation. So today I'm breaking down the science, the psychology, the spirituality behind why brotherhood works, and why also going solo is going to keep you stuck. If you're new to the podcast, make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn those post notifications on, but let's dive into the science. How and why brotherhood rewires your brain. Let's start here because I want you to understand this on a deeper level. Human connection literally rewires your brain. When you isolate, when you live in shame and secrecy, your brain starts starving for connection. And because it's starving, it'll go looking anywhere for an artificial reward. Dopamine from porn, junk food, scrolling, whatever gives you that quick hit of escape. But when you begin to connect, when you show up in vulnerability, when you share truth, when you're seen and known by other men, your brain starts releasing oxytocin and serotonin. These are the same chemicals that build trust, regulate motivation, and bond people together. So what's really happening here? Brotherhood takes your brain off the hamster wheel of I need to escape and reprograms it for I want to grow. This isn't just about emotional support. It's a neurochemical warfare. You're literally rewiring your reward system by choosing connection over isolation. So when I tell you that brotherhood transforms your recovery, I'm not being poetic. I'm being scientific. Now let's talk about what true brotherhood, what our frameworks look like inside the Rebuilt Man. Inside the Rebuilt Man brotherhood, we have a saying, a real brother will not let you hide. Brotherhood isn't just a group of guys cheering you on. It's not pro hugs and positive vibes. It's truth. It's structure. But most importantly, it's a challenge. It's a challenge to step up. It's a challenge to become more. It's a challenge to walk in integrity and live by a higher standard. And here's a framework that we live by. Number one, we'll call you out. Real brothers will tell you the truth, even when it hurts. We're not here to enable weakness. We'll confront you with truth, but most importantly, with love. The next one here is encouragement. We're going to remind you inside of the brotherhood who you really are when that old self tries to take back control. And thirdly, here is we want to share discipline with you. Our brothers, our men are not here just to talk about change. They live it. They show up daily. They show up weekly. They do the work. You see, when you surround yourself with men who are disciplined, accountable, and purpose-driven, that momentum, that standard becomes contagious. Accountability stops being about shame and it becomes the fuel you need for the transformation you're desiring. That's what real brotherhood looks like. Now, let me give you some real numbers here. What happens inside of real community, of real brotherhood? Men who go through the Rebuilt Man brotherhood stay porn-free 2 to 3 times longer than men that are trying to quit alone. 2 to 3 times longer. And it's not because they suddenly get stronger. It's because they've stopped fighting alone. Brotherhood will give you these 3 things that no amount of willpower or discipline can provide. It's going to give you belief. When you don't believe in yourself, you can borrow it from the other men. Brotherhood is going to give you momentum. When you see others winning, it pushes you to keep going through the darkness. And most importantly, brotherhood is going to give you identity. When you're part of something bigger than yourself, you stop identifying with your weaknesses and start identifying with your purpose. I've seen men over the years that were relapsing every few days or every day go 90 days, 100, 365 days clean. Not because they figured out some secret hack, but because they finally stopped doing it alone. Brotherhood works because it multiplies belief and short circuits shame. Now let's back this up biblically, because this is God's design. God's design for man is to be in brotherhood. Let's look at the word, because this concept, this truth isn't new. It's as ancient as man himself. Ecclesiastes 4:9-10 says, two are better than one because they have a good return for their labor. If either one of them falls down, one can help the other up. But pity anyone who falls and has no one to help them up. God never designed men to walk alone. Adam wasn't created to live in isolation. Jesus didn't do ministry alone. Iron sharpens iron, but you can't get sharpened if you refuse to be in the forge. Isolation is pride disguised as independence. Brotherhood is that humility that gets turned into strength. So you've been trying to fight this battle in private, thinking, I don't need help. I can do this myself. That's not strength, brother. That's your pride speaking through you. And pride is what keeps most men stuck in the shame cycle year after year. Now I want to talk about an identity shift, going from lone wolf to the rebuilt man, because freedom from porn isn't about fighting harder. It's about becoming someone new. A man who doesn't hide. A man who doesn't escape. A man who doesn't do life in the shadows. You see, that old you, that's the one that isolates in shame, but the rebuilt man walks in brotherhood. He walks in truth. When you stop trying to do this alone, you realize it was never just about quitting porn. It was about becoming the kind of man who's capable of leading himself, of leading his family, and leading his mission. And that kind of man is never done. So I'm helping wrap this up and bring this all home. Once again, every relapse starts in isolation, and every breakthrough begins through connection. Brotherhood works because it rewires your brain, it redefines accountability, and most importantly, restores your identity. You can't fight this in the dark. It's time to lock arms, borrow strength, give strength. That, brother, is how you win. If you've been trying to do this alone, yet you feel stuck, you feel alone, and you're living in shame, this today here is your wake-up call. It's time to stop fighting alone. Come join me in the men inside our Rebuilt Man Brotherhood. And the best part here, you can start the journey today for free with our 7-day porn reset. What you'll get is you'll get access to the exact training, the daily challenges, and the community that's helping men all across the world break free and rebuild their lives. And once again, it's 100% free for 7 days. If you visit therebuiltman.com/7-day reset, or click the link down there in the show notes below, you can take that first step. But let me remind you, you don't need to do this alone. You were built and created for brotherhood. Visit therebuiltman.com/7-day reset. Click the link down there in the show notes below. But brother, I look forward to seeing you on the inside.